Now, so when you open a SaaS environment, you'll see 5 different windows. This is a results window. This is explorer window, output window, log window, and editor window. So every window has a purpose. When you open any blank Excel, how many windows will be there? So this is a blank Excel, right? When you open a Excel, how many windows will be there? Only one window will be there, which is consisting of rows and columns. So these are different sheets, like pages in a book. These are different sheets. Only this is a single window interface. Excel is a single window interface, but SAS is a multi-window interface, multiple window interface. So now see one by one what are the windows are. Editor window. Editor window is used for writing the program, editing the programs, and submitting the programs. It performs 3 tasks. Editor window is for editing the program, writing the program, and submitting the program. So log window. Log window, if you see, some warning is there, some note is there. So by default, some options are there. So when you write a program, when you submit the program, the compilation and execution process will be displayed in the log window. So if there are any errors in the compilation process, or if there are any errors in the execution process, if there are any warnings kind of things, if there are any logical errors, if there are any other errors, all those errors will be displayed in the log window. So we will see one by one what is the compilation and what the execution is. We will see in the coming classes. Now output window will be used for getting the outputs. The output will be displayed in the output window. So explorer window. Explorer window is nothing but a folder. So in the general laptop, we have folders, right? This is one folder. This is one folder. There are many folders are there, right? So explorer window is like a folder. If you open this folder, again, one more folder is there, right? Similar kind of thing in the SAS also. Explorer window is of folders. If you open one folder, again, there are some other folders. If you open one folder, again, some folders, the files are there. So explorer window is a folder. This is useful for navigating from one folder to another folder. So in the general terminology, we call this as a folder, but in the SAS environment, we call these as libraries. So this is the library, this is a library, this is a library. So generally in the system, we call them as folders, but in the SAS, we call them as libraries. Next, results window is similar to the output window. Results window is useful for printing the results. Same kind of thing as output window. Now we'll see one by one. So we will write a program. You will write a program in the editor window. We will see how to execute the programs. Now, before to that, let me explain a program by using this Excel. So here, right, this is a folder, right? So this is a SAS supporting programs. Now, I'm creating one folder here. This is your batch. This is for, so what do you say? Output data. Now, when I want to create a Excel file, how do we create Excel file? Generally. So here I want to create an Excel file. How do we create Excel file? Right click on the here, go to new, and then go to Excel. Right, this is a Excel file. So immediately after creating Excel file, you will give a name to this. What would be the name for this? So I am giving the name as test. Test. This is the extension, right? Extension indicates the type of the file, XLSX. So the name of the file is test. Name of the Excel file is test. Extension is XLSX. Now, open this. See, there are different rows and columns, right? So no, I'm creating a database of your students, your batchmates. So how I am creating Excel file? First, I have to give the column names, right? So serial number, name, I'm creating a small database. Serial number, name, location, or phone number, location, or your residential address. So like that, 4 columns I am taking. Now, serial number is 1. My name is Ravi. Number I am taking, some contact number, residence, Hyderabad. Similar kind of thing. 2 is there. So Raju, some phone number I'm taking. Location is from Hyderabad. Masum, or you can take the gender also. Gender, male, male. So number. So he also stated Hyderabad. Next, 4-1. Female. Location. See, observe the data. There are 2 kinds of data. So first line is consisting of column names, right?
Yes, sir.
First line is consisting of column name. From the second line onwards, actual data is there. This is the actual data. So this is the column names. This is not the data. This is the description about the data. So what this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a serial number. What this Ravi, Raju, Masum, Radhika, meaning this is the name of the student. So male, female. This is the gender, right? So actual data is starting from the second line. First data is giving the explanation about the data. So this first line, this portion, this data is having 2 portions. First one is this portion is called data description, and the second onward this portion is called data values. So you can write it as this is called data description portion. This portion is called data description. Right click. See here I am bolding and I am giving some color, different color. So the colored portion is called data description, and actual data is starting from the second row. This portion is called data values or actual data. So if you observe, there are 2 setups, 2 portions in any kind of data. Data is having 2 portions. One is data description. Second one is data values. So this you can remember. So this is data description portion, and these are the data values. Now, if you observe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are aligned to the see serial number. How is the alignment? Serial number is aligned to the right side. Name is aligned to the left side, right? So gender, this is aligned to the left side. Is cellulo left side on the right side on the gender is aligned to the left side.
Left side.
So phone number is aligned to the right side. Phone number right kundi, left side left clear. Left start avaledu, right start avaledu. Residence, this residence is aligned to the left side. So based on this, what we can say, serial number is by default number is aligned to the right side, and this is a text characters are aligned to the left side. Generally characters will be aligned to the left side and the numbers will be aligned to the right side, right? So this you can remember. Now go to SAS program. Same kind of thing we will be writing in the SAS, and we will